Overview of the markets with Ichimoku. Disclaimer. Read this carefully. Today, the 18th of April 2021, we will do the analysis of the DAX. The analysis of the German DAX index, with Ichimoku, we start on the weekly chart. Already at first glance, we see a strong uptrend. To do the cycle analysis, we remove the Chikou span line, to have a clearer chart. Then, we analyze how the price has behaved until today. After identifying the impulse that cuts through the cloud, points A and B, and the correction, points B and C, we do the calculations, according to Goichi Hosoda's theories, regarding targets and cycles. Here, we immediately see that 33 weeks have passed, between point A and point C, 9 weeks between point B and point C, and 25 weeks, between point A and point B. To be clear, let us write down these points. We find the correspondence between point C and the hypothetical point D, where the price could change direction, in this case 25 weeks, and point A and B, also 25 weeks. The time between point A and point C, in this case 33 weeks, is also the same as the time between point B and point D, again 33 weeks. Now, let's see if we had a similar situation in the past. The impulse that cuts through the cloud, from point A to point B, and the correction, that is point B and C. Here we can find the time between points A and C, of 34 weeks. Now we see the time between point B and point D, that is the point where the price changed direction, and again 34 weeks have passed. We see an incredible similarity between A and C, 33 weeks, B and D 33 weeks. Now, let's check the time between point A and point B. Let's change color. In the first case, 28 weeks have passed. In the second case, 25 weeks have passed between point A and B. Now, we check between point C and point D, and find that 28 weeks have passed. As we see, this pattern has already presented itself, two identical patterns with almost equal time. "33 weeks between the minimum and minimum, 33 weeks between the maximum and maximum." Since the price has come close to the V target, Our scenario predicts the reaction at this point, and the descent of the price. We don't know yet if this will be a strong downward movement, or just the small correction, and immediately afterwards we resume the uptrend. We will find this out with other elements of the Ichimoku strategy, that will tell us what exactly to do. Now let's move down to the daily time frame. Again we can identify the equivalent cycles, which coincide perfectly. Now we just have to wait and see what kind of wave is forming. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our services on Facebook, Telegram, YouTube, and visit our website